Hello, I'm Koontz Jr., and today we're going to learn about the Always On Top utility from Microsoft PowerToys. Always On Top allows you to pin apps so they do not get hidden when moving to other apps. To do this, select the window you want to pin and hit the keybind Windows, Control, T. For example, if I wanted to compare items on Amazon to a specific item that I liked, I could use the tool to pin the item I liked, resize it how I want, and then continue shopping and comparing. To remove the pin, simply select the pinned window and hit the Windows Control T keybind again. This returns your window to normal. To learn how to install Microsoft PowerToys, check out our video in the description below.